How to make AI movie using free AI tools. Hi there! Today, I'll be sharing with you how to make an AI movie using free AI tools. Making an AI movie can be a fun and creative way to express your ideas and concepts. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to gather some free AI tools. There are many online tools available that you can use to create an AI movie. Some of the popular tools include Powtoon, Animate, Lie, and Adobe Spark Video. Once you have your tools, it's time to start creating your AI movie. You can create a script, storyboard, or even a video script to guide you in creating your movie. Once you have your ideas, start working on creating your animation or video. When creating your animation or video, it's important to keep your goals in mind. You want to make sure your movie is engaging and informative. Use your AI tools to create different characters, graphics, and animations to tell your story. You can also use sound effects, music, and other multimedia elements to enhance the overall experience of your movie. Once you have your movie created, share it with the world and see what people think. In conclusion, making an AI movie using free AI tools can be a fun and creative way to express your ideas and concepts. With the right tools and a little bit of creativity, you can create an engaging and informative AI movie that will leave your audience wanting more. So, grab your tools and get started today.